Hi guys, welcome to SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about lightning record pages in Salesforce. In our previous video, we saw about how to create lightning homepage and its uses. What is lightning record pages? Record pages are the pages which you can see while opening the records in Salesforce. Like homepage, we can configure the list of components which need to be visible when opening the record. From the page layout, we can control the field position and visibility. But that is not enough to show that detail in record page, because those fields are visible only when the details component is added in the record page. You can assign the record pages by app specific and app record type profile combinations. That is, you can assign a specific record page to a specific app, or you can assign it in the combination of record type and profile. That is, we can make a sales representative to view two different record pages based on the record type that he is choosing. Let's go to the demo. This is the student object and this is the default record page of the student object. I'm going to edit it by clicking the setup icon, edit page. It will be redirected to Lightning App Builder with the components of record page. Lightning App Builder loaded with the components of record page. We can add components from the components panel to the canvas by drag and drop. We also can edit the old components. Similar to home page, we also can set component visibility here. To understand about component visibility, please watch our previous video. Click Save. Click Activate. Record pages can be assigned in three different levels. First is Assign as arg default. If we assign it as arg default, this record page will be visible to all the users. If we assign it as app default, we can choose the apps which we want to assign this record page. This record page will be only visible in these apps for all users. Next, app record type and profile. If we assign to app record type and profile, it will ask for which apps this record page to be visible. Click Next. Next, it will ask for which device it has to be visible. Click Next. And it will ask for which record types of that particular apps to be visible. Here, as of now, we have only one record type. So I am choosing one. If we have multiple record types, if you select that particular record type, then this page will be visible only in that record type. Click Next. And we can choose the profiles for which this record page to be visible. I am choosing System Administrator and click Next. So now the System Administrator who has access to Sales App and Record Type Master only can see this particular record page. Now I am a System Administrator user and I am in Sales App and Student Object, and you can see the new component which we have added here. Now I am switching to different app. I am choosing Student Object again. Now you can see in the record page the newly added component is not there because this is a different app and we not assigned the record page to this app. Similar to home page, record page is also created newly from the setup and app builder. Click New and select record page instead of home page and click Next and give the name and do as what we did for home page. Give meaningful name in label and choose the object for which record page has to be visible. Click Next and choose any template. Here you can design your own record page as per your wish and save it and activate it as we discussed earlier. That's all about Lightning record page. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.